Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel World of Sunita. So in today's video I'm going to present a story, Avatar of Lord Vishnu, Matsya Avatar. Once King Manu was praying by the river. As he collected some water in his hand, he caught a tiny fish in it. When he tried to put the fish back in the water, the fish told the king not to do so. The king then put the fish in a jar, but it kept growing. So he put it in a tank, then a pound, and had to put it back into the river eventually. King Manu realized that it was no ordinary fish. Then the fish told the king to build a ship and fill it with the good people, animals, and various kinds of plants. He said that soon it would rain torrentially and the flood would drown the earth. King Manu followed the instruction. Soon it started raining and the flood destroyed the earth. But the ship didn't sink because the giant fish, Matsya, an avatar of Lord Vishnu, pulled it to safety. When the flood water receded, King Manu, the people, and the animals on the ship were all safe. Together, they created a new kingdom. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.